What if I was just walking down your block one day and I had all these scooters to give away and one of them could be yours? In this video, we're gonna give away the scooter. To find someone who really needs it is the mission. I haven't found the right person, and we're at the skate park again today, and there's nobody there. Get off your phone, go outside, please. I was hoping to give someone a free scooter today, but we're gonna cut it here. I don't know how many days this video is gonna take. This video is not gonna be over until we find the right person. Out of nowhere, I got a crazy big headache, and I really wanted to ride hard today. You know when you have a headache and the vibrations or just walking or any kind of messes with your head and feels like it's 10 times more the impact? That's what I feel right now. But there's always a way to make something happen, and there's always a way to be creative. There's a trick that I saw recently, two-footed scooter fakie manual. And I usually do this with 1 foot. For some reason, I never tried it with 2 feet, and that's what I want to do today. I want to try 2 feet, and if I could do it fakie, that'd be awesome because that would be a world's first, and it's been a while since I did a world's first. I'm calling it out. I'm going to show you real time if I can do it or not, so let's warm up. The trick that I want to try is exactly that, but then 2 feet. And if I can get it where I feel comfortable and strong, then to do it backwards would be a world's first. Never seen it. It's not that much of a difference. If I can do it fakie 2 foot, but we can't do it fakie until we learn it forward first. So let's try it. Everything in its own time. Very hard to do straight, if that makes any sense. When I swing the deck around, it makes me want to spin, and I just want to learn it straight because you can't really do that going fakie. But for some reason, I mean, I don't know, I'm just gonna try it fakie because I'm battling this trick forward right now, and if I'm gonna fight for a trick, I might as well fight for the fakie one because that's the brand new trick. That would be the world's first. Holding it is not too bad. Getting in and getting the other foot on, that's the tough part, going from the pegs to the deck. Because once you go on the deck, there's a lot of weight on the scooter, which is usually why peg tricks are a little bit easier to deal with and a little bit easier to balance because they take no strength. But once you get to the deck, you gotta pull, you have to balance, and there's a lot of force. I'm just gonna try the fakie one. I'm gonna practice just the hold first, and then if we can get in and out of it, that would be the count, but very difficult, very, very difficult. Take a trip to another life. Back when we were stars. Brought 1 battery with me, and it's about to die. About an hour of trying this, and there was 3 that were kind of good. I learned it, I did it, but can I do it better? Definitely. That's a trick that I need to work on more. Cool to G-turn it, where I would go straight, pivot, and then start doing a fakie. I think that's when I got the trick under control. But for now, session complete, mission complete, and technically it's a world's first. It's a new hold, a new fakie hold. I'm hyped on it. 2 months. Found a skate park loaded with kids, and I have 2 scooters to give away now. I know this video was supposed to give away 1, but I'm gonna make a short, give away a Prodigy S9, and I'm gonna give away a 1S3. That's today's video. The main thing is the 1S3, because I'm gonna find someone who really needs it. The Prodigy S9, I think I'm gonna do a little challenge. But there's about 6, 7 kids at the skate park. Finally, people outside. But it's gonna be good. So let's get in the park and make some kids' days. Oh shit, what's up, boys? What are you guys up to? School today?
Nope.
No?
I'm homeschooled.
Okay, okay. What's a trick that you can do that you know that these guys could do?
Manual.
You can do a jump. You won't be able to.
You guys down to do a little manual challenge? More people who manual around the world, the better the world. Today I brought the Envy Prodigy S9. I'm gonna give it to 1 lucky winner in the skate park. Funny thing is that none of these kids know I'm gonna give them this brand new scooter. So all of you will get 3 tries each, and then start to manual at this line. Oh, my dude's nice.
Oh, that was nice. Oh,
Dude, that was good. You're about to go home with that manual.
no!
All right, I'll make sure I don't beat homie. All right, since you won, this is yours.
Yo!
Are you being serious?
I'm being dead serious. Since you won, do you have a friend or someone you know that might be able to use that scooter?
I don't know.
Or maybe they haven't scootered yet. You know someone might like to scooter. Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, give that to them. Give that to them. Good work. Look what you guys did. Now I gotta walk home. I'm gonna find someone who has the worst scooter and trade them theirs for this one. This is the NV1 S3, brand new. See who can use it. All right, boys, I'm gonna need your help for a sec. So I got one more scooter to give away. And I want to try to find someone in the skate park that has the worst scooter. So I'm gonna need your help. Don't make it obvious. Hold on, don't make it sus.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cruise around. Obviously, there's probably only one person that could probably use this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like the one with the razor.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cruise around. Just don't make it obvious though, all right?
Yeah, don't make it obvious.
Get a little sesh, learn tricks, more wheelies, more manuals. Yeah, I used to have that scooter.
Wait, this scooter?
Yeah, a long time ago, I used to ride the exact same one. Sorry, bro. Did you just get that one? You had it for a long time.
I've had the scooter.
Yeah, this is the one I'm using today. This is the NV1 S3. I just built this, so it's brand new. It's not even a scratch on it. Look at that. Super fresh. I was looking at that, I was like, I haven't rode one of those in so long. Can I try it?
Yeah, sure.
I think the last time I rode one was, I'm very old, so don't make fun of me, probably 2005. Were you alive 2005?
No.
Okay, let me not talk anymore. Let me just try it. You can try this one for now.
Okay.
It's crazy. This was the normal scooter back in the day. You didn't have options like this.
Can I like the only scooter?
Whoa. Ooh. Ooh, okay, there's one. Shoot, how did I ride this back in the day? Trying, I don't know if I can. What's with this strap? Is this how you hold it? It's like, all right, I'm going home. Hey, you go to the store, grab a drink, and you're like, all right, thanks. Yo, you want to trade?
Yeah.
Ooh, trade.
All right, let's trade. I got to keep this.
Actually?
You down?
Yeah.
Permanent trade though, no take backs.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's go.
All right, Grandma, you said no tricks today, but this one's definitely gonna be yours on the way home.
Oh my god, thank you.
Now that you have three, Grandma got to pull some tricks. Nah, I know Grandma got it. Oh, you love to see it. Such a good feeling. And I only need one scooter, or maybe two. I need my flat scoot, and I need my everyday street / park scoot. So thank you, Envy, for hooking up with scooters as always. It feels really good to share the success we have with Envy. Lucas, I hope you enjoy the scooter. Looks really good. Especially today, you dressed all blue and I had a blue 1S3, so that worked out as if you knew I was coming. If you want to be a part of this channel, a part of this journey of just riding, giving back, learning new tricks, and just trying to be the best version of yourself, don't forget to subscribe down below. I got a lot of plans for the rest of the year and all next year. It's gonna be good. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.
French and me in English. Well, I